to our little gnome ornament craft. This is a quick little craft that can be done in just minutes for the holiday season. So we've got our string to hang it by, and then our little gnome. So in this pack here is the finished gnome. I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and come out with a cute little gnome here. First, we're going to tie our piece of embroidery thread, which will be used as the hanger. We're just tying this just in a single knot. You'll see right here. I have it this way. So I looped the edge here to then make right to here. From here, I will take a quick little clip. Be careful not to cut the knot, so it's just a little bit smaller there. And then I'm just going to set this piece aside. In your kit also comes with the glue and a little stick to apply the glue on. From here, we're going to take our body of our gnome, and we are going to then bring this here and make sure that this is fitting up here. You can bring it all the way up to the top, but then it does go off here on the back. So if you bring it down, you can bring it here like this, and then you can flip it over and see that it does not show through the back. For here, I'm just going to remember that this is right about where I want it. I'm going to get my glue onto my stick. I am going to glue just this main part over here down as we're going. Do a dollop in the middle. That was left over of my old glue. I will finish this part once I already have it down here, but then I remember that it was right around there. And that gives us a nice space. We flip it over to make sure we're still okay. Here, we press that down. Then, before we put the hat on, you can put the hat on either way. It can be this way. I'm also going to do it flipped around the other way. Then from here, I'm just going to dab a little bit of glue right here in the middle. Then of course we'll have more glue going over this piece as we get ready to place the hat on. There's that nice little dab. We're going to place our string there, and then we're going to hold over it and see where we want that hat to exactly fit. So I'm coming down just a little ways here. You can just eyeball this. This does not have to be an exact thing. And then I'm going to place glue all along here. I find it easier to do it here on the piece since I was looking, that's where the piece was. It is always best to do not what I'm doing, but something put down on your craft table when you're working with glue. So you don't have to worry about taking all the glue and cleaning that off later. From here, we're going to take our piece. There we go. I have to get it. I had a line of glue right here that I do need to take care of, but I will in just a moment. And then we're going to press our hat in here. Now, if you want this to stay a little bit more secure, you can come and do another little dollop of glue back here to hold it down. Flip them back over over here, we're going to put the nose on. Now if you want the nose further down, you can do that. If you want it up right next to the hat, that's where I'm going to put mine for the sake of this right now, but you can put it further down. It does not have to be. Actually, we'll do this one a little bit further down to do something different. Then from here, we place it down. Now this glue is a quick dry, but to fully dry, it says it takes 24 hours. So you're going to want to make sure to let it dry. That's to its fullest ability, is at that 24 hours. And then just kind of dabbling it along here and then press it down from here. And there you go. There is your gnome ornament. Enjoy!